Here's the story of how a dirty lab and a 2-week vacation saved 200 million lives. In 1928, a Scottish biologist named Alexander Fleming was studying Staphylococcus bacteria, the kind that causes staph infections. Fleming was brilliant, but he was also notoriously messy. Before leaving for a 2-week vacation, he stacked his petri dishes in a corner of his lab without cleaning them. He also left a window up. When he returned, he started throwing the old dishes in a cleaning solution, but one dish caught his eye. A bit of mold had flown in through the window and landed on the gel. Everywhere the mold grew, the dangerous staph bacteria had died. There was also a clear halo around the mold where the bacteria couldn't survive. Fleming realized the mold was secreting a juice that killed the bacteria. He identified the mold as Penicillium notatum and named the juice Penicillin. Fleming published his findings, but he couldn't figure out how to extract the medicine and make it stable. For 10 years, penicillin was just a lab curiosity. In 1939, a team at Oxford University, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, picked up where Fleming left off. They needed to mass produce it for World War II, but they couldn't get enough mold to grow. They eventually found the perfect strain of mold growing on a rotten cantaloupe in a market in Peoria, Illinois. That single moldy melon yielded 200 times more penicillin than Fleming's original strain. So the antibiotic that changed modern medicine exists because of one messy scientist and one rotten fruit. Isn't that awesome?